Say, which side we I pull up? Over a gas station over here, sir? Yeah. Alright, may I pull up for your video, sir?
Here's a Jamaica businessman and he deserves to be highlighted, so I highlighted it.
Whoa! I feel it in my chest. Brother, I feel it in my chest.
So I pull him over here where am I going with him. I have 120,000 watt of power in the truck.
What the I name?
Richie Stars.
Alright, my brother, straight by my IG and my WhatsApp. Alright. Alright. Repeat and show the world.
Now what you have to understand is the cell phone cannot capture the kind of audio where I come out of this truck. It's just like a muzzle.
Alright.
What should you tell when you are buying you? Be more careful, do you can find anybody buy my dinner. So hard for just enemy, hard for just a friend.
No truth, no lie.
Everybody can see it. Say me a over Y'all be say, why make you clean so? Y'all be say, squeeze up them girlfriend tight. Me have the key for the place like this. Higher than sky, vodka we know you stay. The girl man overstand, love style, love the style. When you make them go some free. Love the style, me squeeze your breast, them what fragile. Me don't love man, so don't love me. Me get y'all easy like don't me. Me want every girl out halfway tree. Me a overdo unruly dash, spaceship lift off and them can't see me. Inna the front, man I squeeze up them girlfriend TV. Me have the key for the place like this. Higher than sky vodka, we no use speedy. Me can't overstand now some boy who silly. You wear name brand, them got on free. Girl still a fi ask me. Say, why make you clean so? Everybody say, why make you clean so? Squeeze your breast, them with fragile. Me don't love man, so don't